Hello everyone. Today we are going to do a reading on full moon for the Scorpios, our lovely Scorpions. So let's see how the full moon affects them, because full moon day is all about releasing negativity from your life. Full moon, or Hindi we call it Purnima also. So let's begin. Now what is the heart of the reading? Please tarot, give the heart of the reading of the Scorpions collective. What is the heart of the reading? Okay, so the heart of your reading is Eight of Wands in the reverse. Eight of Wands in the reverse shows that there is some blockage in the, you are either waiting for some great news to come or something, excuse me, regarding your work, or energy shifts are there, but there's a blockage in it. It will take some time. Mercury is retrograde, so it is going to take some time. It can take 8 weeks at least for the good news, or for any news you're waiting for. Okay, so this is the heart of your reading. Now what is the challenge of our lovely Scorpions? What is the challenge for our lovely Scorpions? Your challenge this week is the Seven of Cups, the Five of Swords, and the Queen of Swords. Definitely there's some sort of disagreement, conflict which has happened, which has taken place between 2 or 3 people, and you want to know the truth. It can be you either. You want to know the truth, and this could be regarding certain choices. There are many options or choices before you, so the conflict may be with somebody with regard to the choices in your career, or in your relationships, or love relationships, or anything like that. So whatever you're waiting for is for the kind of news, or for the kind of message, is because there is a conflict, there's a difficult situation, and you have to make a choice from these number of options which you are getting. Now let's see the focus. What is the focus of the Scorpions? What is the focus of the Scorpions? What is the focus of the Scorpions? The focus of the Scorpions is Four of Cups in the reverse, the Hierophant in the reverse, and the Page of Cups. So you're focusing on some kind of offer. You are focusing on some kind of offer, and the offer will come to you. Definitely it is going to happen. But then there is Four of Cups. You are too disappointed, and you feel that, feel dejected that you might not get this offer. You might not get an offer because you have too many options. And as I told you, you have to make a choice. So you're getting an offer, but presently you're very disappointed, and it's Hierophant in the reverse. Definitely you want some offer, something who's committed. There is lack of commitment, lack of discipline. So you want an offer. Maybe it could be a love offer, or a career, or something which is stable for you. But right now you are not feeling happy, though it is going to happen in the near future. So this is your focus. This is what the Scorpions are focusing on. What is the recent past? What is the recent past of the Scorpions? The recent past is Ten of Pentacles. Now this is the Earth sign. So you've got many options here. Emotionally you are feeling that you are not getting anything out of the situation, and also there is blockage in your happiness. You want a happy and a fulfilling future, even from the point of view of finances. You want financial security, and that is why you are waiting for some news to come which will provide you financial security, and you will be relieved. You want happiness, you want financial security, you want good, fulfilling life. So there's a blockage in that, but definitely you're waiting for the news to come, and it is going to come in the near future. This is your recent past. It is blocked, and it is regarding this inheritance or something, many options that you're wanting to, waiting to be revealed to you. Now, what is the energy of environment for our Scorpions? What is the energy of environment for our Scorpions? What is the energy of environment for our Scorpions? The energy of the environment is the strength in the reverse. You are, you are not confident, you are feeling low, there is lack of fire in you, lack of passion in you, you're not feeling energetic, you don't want to face anything, and you feel that it is very difficult to solve these problems, like this Five of Swords, some conflict, some disagreement you've had with somebody. So you're feeling that it is a very difficult situation. How will you solve it? There are many questions in you, but they will definitely have answers in the time to come. It will take at least some time, from 4 to 8 weeks, for you to come to know. That means 2 months at least, so you don't have to worry about it, and you will definitely get some good news about your question, about your news, or about your life. Now, what is the near future for the Scorpions? What is the near future for the Scorpions? Collective, what is the near future for the Scorpions collective? What is it in the near future? The near future, you have Death reversed. Please do not be afraid of this Death card. Death card is definitely something is ending and a new beginning is going to come. Something new is coming into your life. There is end to this past, past scenario, but a new beginning is going to come. Something is going to die to give birth to something new. So this is a major arcana. This is also major arcana. You'll have to wait and watch and see what the future brings in for you, and then you have to make a decision. What are the hopes and fears? What are the hopes and fears of the Scorpions? What are the hopes and fears of the Scorpions? Hopes and fears is Ace of Pentacles. You are waiting for a new beginning. Definitely we can see the Death card here, and it is leading to Ace of Pentacles, which means that you are going to get an opportunity in the near future to give, to start new your financial projects or anything related to money. Money is definitely coming in. You can see a hand with this disc in the hand. This is cryptocurrency. So which means that you are going to, have a new beginning. You hope for a new beginning. So it is your hopes and fears. That means you are hoping for the best. You feel that all this confusion is going to go away, and then you will get a new beginning. This is what you are hoping for. What is the end result or the possible outcome of the Scorpions? What is the end result or the possible outcome of the Scorpions? Okay. So the end result or the possible outcome of the Scorpions is 7 of Pentacles, then you have the 5 of Cups, then you have the 5 of Wands, then you have the Knight of Swords. So which seems to be like, you have to be slow. You should remain, you should take a break. You should move very carefully. You should first of all analyze everything. You should evaluate before taking any decision or action. Be slow, don't be brash, don't rush in. And you should carefully analyze your situation. And this conflict here This is Five of Wands and this is Five of Swords. Again, there is disagreement. So don't rush in. First, evaluate the whole situation. And you should do this without any emotional upheaval. So you should be emotionally balanced. So definitely what you are going to do is that you will be evaluating the situation and then you will make a move. This is what the net outcome is, that you will make a move, but you will take your time and then only you will make a move. Use your intellect, use your mind, and then only make a move. But don't rush in, and definitely you will be you won't be disappointed. This is in the near future that you won't feel empty or disappointed with whatever choice you make. Now, what is the advice? Okay, the advice is the Nine of Swords and the Sun. So the advice is that you should not feel anxious. You should sleep well in the night. You should not feel anxiety about anything. And the situation is not so negative. It is looking as though it's very negative, but actually it is not so negative. So the Sun here is one of the happiest cards, and it is in the reverse. Though it is in the reverse, but then too it is not negative. Things will definitely fall back into place, and don't be anxious or worried too much about it. So I hope it helped, my Scorpions, and all the best. For this full moon, you are advised not to be anxious, worry. Release your worry and anxieties and hope for the best. Thank you for tuning in, and bye-bye.